Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So first of all, Merry Christmas. Enjoy the Christmas. And for traders who are planning to trade after Christmas, this video is for you because most of the traders around the world are still in a holiday mode and will remain in a holiday mode till 31st of December. As a result, market will be slow, and we can see already the volume has reduced considerably for the last couple of days. If you look at the chart of DXY, then DXY you can see right now trading in a range after this massive fall. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that DXY should remain range because of less volume in the market. Okay, the range of DXY will be 105 to 105.50 on the upside and 103 to 103.50 on the downside. This is the range for DXY right now. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that Forex sentiment meter is also telling us the same story. 50% retail traders have taken short position and 49% retail traders have taken long position. So the retail traders are also confused right now regarding the direction of the market. Okay, and if you look at the forexfactory.com or any economy calendar, you'll see that bank holiday because of Christmas. So my dear friends, the volume of the market will be very low. So whether it is Euro, USD or any other pair, you should be very careful with the breakout and breakdown trades, because whenever there is less volume in the market, then breakout and breakdown trades can be really difficult, because whenever there is less volume, market does not have the strength to go up. As a result, at one point market comes down again and you get a false breakout. Similarly, if a market is falling and market does not have the strength to go down, if the sellers do not have the strength to take the market down, at one time you'll see market going up again. So if you take a sell position here, considering it as a breakdown, then it can be a trap. You may get trapped. As a result, you will be in loss. So my dear friends, in this situation, when there's very less volume in a market, try to avoid any breakout or breakdown trades. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. Where is our Euro USD? Yeah, there it is. See, not much to discuss on a chart of Euro USD, because Euro USD has already entered inside a zone for the last couple of days. It's trading within a range of 1.065 to 1.0675 on the upside and 1.0580, 1.0575 on the downside. This is the range of Euro USD right now. So the strategy is very simple. Okay, if market goes up and reverses from the resistance zone, you can look for a sell. If market comes to a support and bounces, you can look for a buy position. Try to avoid any position in between the chart, because your risk to reward ratio will not match. Okay, so one thing also I have already discussed in my previous videos, that as market has already tested the resistance too many times, so please be careful next time, because whenever a level becomes too common in a market, then the big sharks go for stop loss hunting as well. So next time when market will hit the resistance zone, do not place a sell limit or do not take a sell position blindly. Observe the market first. If you see prices being rejected from above, then only take a sell position. And in case you see a breakout, if you see market is crossing 1.0675 level, do not place a buy position immediately. Observe the market for 2 hours, 3 hours, and just see how the market is reacting, because there's a high chance that after hitting some stop losses, after hunting down some stop losses, market will reverse again. When market will reverse again, you can take a sell position again. Okay, similarly, if market comes down to the support level, observe the market. If market bounces, go for a buy position. But in case you see market breaking the support and going down, do not place a sell position immediately, because it can be a false breakout as well. So after 2 or 3 hours, if you see that market is reversing again, you can immediately go for a buy position. But keep in mind, this is defensive season right now, so please be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and try to reduce the lot size. Okay, because the volume on the market is less. Whenever there is less volume in a market, either we get to see a flat market, or market trading in a narrow range, or we get to see some unexpected spikes. Okay, so as a result, please be careful. Do not gamble and enjoy the holiday. Bye bye. Take care.